Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford Expedition Platinum Max. Coming in this nice brownish red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have nice rear park sensing, that nice backup camera. We do have the nice roof spoiler, mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells. We have a side view camera, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we have front park sensing, license plate bracket, two tow hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. This vehicle does come equipped with an automatic trunk opener, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, providing a fair bit of storage, as well as storage there. You have a 12-volt outlet, little hooks all around. You can close your second and third row from that, which is pretty handy. Little hooks. You got storage, two USBs on each side, and from here you can close the headrest for the last row, which is pretty handy. And lifting this up, you do got storage underneath and storage here as well. And to close it, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it does close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty nicely. And we do have this nice black and textured black leathering with perforated middle parts with some nice brown stitching. You do got plenty of door room, nice leathering on the door as well. And you do have your own climate back here. You can control your volume, media. You also have a USB, USB-C, two heated middle seats, 110-volt outlet, storage right here, and a 12-volt right there. And to get to the back, you can either go for the front or slide your seat forward and collapse it, allowing you to have easy access in the back here with the same leathering. You also have cup holders. You can move your headrest using that on both sides, which is pretty handy. And we do have a twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we do have powered seats with the same leathering we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional Platinum logo. You got the Platinum logo right there as well. Plenty of door space, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You have that nice leathering on the door as well, a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. You have your parking brake, pedal adjusters, blind spot detections, lights, rear headrest, and your trunk opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see the odometer is sitting at 6,881 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with some yellow stitching. You have your toggle for your main screen, phone, media, cruise control, volume, and voice. Now looking at your main screen here, you can go through My View, trip and fuel, vehicle info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Continuing to look over here, you have your gear shift with your rear locking differentials, speed adjusters, 4-wheel drive plus your drive modes, downhill descent, and park assist. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, tow and haul, mud and rut, sand, slippery, and so on and so forth. And this does open up for 2 cup holders, which is pretty nice. You have your wireless charging pad plus storage, USB and USB-C, and you can close that, which is pretty nice. You do have a nice leather-wrapped center console with brown leathering, with a ton of storage, which we do have a 12-volt outlet down there. We do have our auto stop, auto start, hazards, traction control, your max temp, 12-volt storage in the glove compartment with leathering around the dash. Hit this button, you do get storage there, which is pretty nice. You have your trailer disconnect and Pro Trailer Assist, and your main infotainment screen. Looking above me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which we did see earlier. And taking a look at our main screen here, you do have what phone's connected, your radio station, location connected, and you do have your main temperature control here with your heated and cooled seats, which is always pretty nice. Heated steering wheel, you can control your fan there, control your volume by just hitting that, which is pretty nice. You do have sketch, towing, media, navigation. Oh, we're just going to close that. Radio, navigation, your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have your controls, which is pretty nice. your 360 view of the vehicle, which is always handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GC08559B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.